Vinayaka Chaturthi is around the corner. So today let us see how to make tasty and yummy Dilpasand Modak. Believe me friends, your kids will definitely love this. Hello friends, welcome to Tiffin Room and happy Vinayaka Chaturthi. If you like today's recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Now let's begin the recipe. Take half a cup grated coconut in a pan. Roast them slightly on medium flame for a minute. Do not make the coconut brown. Make sure it will hold back little moisture. Transfer the coconut to a bowl. Now to the same pan, add a tablespoon of ghee. Once it's hot, add a tablespoon of raisins. Once the raisins become big in size, take it off the flame and add to the coconut. Add a tablespoon of chopped cashew nuts. Add a tablespoon of chopped almonds. Add a tablespoon of chopped pistachio. A pinch of cardamom powder. Take half a cup sugar, powder them well and add. In case if you don't have powdered cardamom, just add 2 to 3 cardamom along with the sugar and powder it. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons tutti frutti. Mix everything well till the mixture becomes sticky. Now let's keep this aside. Take 1½ cup water in a pan. Add salt to taste. Do not add too much salt. Just add a little. A pinch of turmeric for the color. Once the water slightly begin to boil, add 1½ cup rice flour and immediately mix well. Now make sure to keep the flame on low. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Mix well. Now cover this and keep it aside for a minute. After a minute, transfer to a bowl. Add 1 to 2 tablespoon oil as required. Once it slightly cools down, start kneading the dough. The rice flour and water ratio will be 1:1. Now let's stuff the modak. Here I am using a modak mold. Grease the mold with some oil. You will get the modak mold in any local market or online. You can make even without it. Now take some dough, divide it into 2 parts and stuff it well inside. Make sure to press the dough against the mold wall so you will get a good shape. Now take some stuffing. Once you stuff, seal it with some more dough. Remove it carefully and keep it aside. Similarly, make all of them. Here I have taken an idli pot. Add enough water. Use a banana leaf or aluminium foil to the plate. Make sure the plate doesn't touch the water. Now place all the modak. Cover and steam for 25 minutes. Now it's ready. Tasty and yummy Dilpasand Modak is ready. To enhance the look, you can place a cherry with the help of toothpick. Make it at home this festive season and surprise your family and friends. I hope you guys like today's Dilpasand Modak recipe. For more such recipe, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.